Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aquarius 8 sign for the remaining month of September. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your recent past. Aquarius, okay, Hermit, Chariot, Six of Pentacles. One person in this connection right now, in past, recent past, definitely hermit mode. They are in thinking mode, spiritual mode, not taking any action. But one person want to take this relationship to next level. This is slow movement because there is no equal give and take in past. That's why one person, because one person is want to take action, but one person is thinking. There is no equal give and take. I'm getting for some. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Four of Pentacles, lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. What is going on your connection? King of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, so one person investing in this connection, waiting for the output definitely, but one person in this connection very stubborn because the person is the hermit mode and they don't want to express their feelings and they are holding back their feelings. But the other person stand by their power. This could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo, fire sign. Definitely they are waiting for they invest on this connection and they're waiting for the other person. It could be you or your person depending upon your situation. So let's see some more messages. Yeah, Four of Wands. This could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Lot of the Star. Yeah, Justice. So one person approaching the other person for second chance. The Star. You or your person could be Aquarius. This could be twin flames energy. You both could be twin flames. Definitely Justice. Justice means Libra. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, also particularly Libra. Definitely they want second chance with you. So it could be you or your person. Your person wants second chance with you or you want second chance with your person. So let's see your person near future actions towards you. Aquarius. Ace of Wands. Yeah, I think they want second chance with you. Ace of Wands means they want new beginnings with you. The Towers. And Page of Swords. Under the deck, Nine of Swords. Definitely they are spying on your social media and they want to communicate and they want a new brand, new beginning. Without you, they are like tower moment. Something tower moment is happened in your personal life in recent or it going to be happen. But they want a brand new beginning with you and they are spying on you on social media. Definitely some communication is coming in your way. So let's pull some more cards from the universe. Yeah, Queen of Wands. So here Queen of Wands and King of Wands, you both strong couple. Queen of Swords, lot of Ace of Swords, lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Two of Pentacles. You have one person still juggling, but one person is very straightforward and honest. Queen of Swords, some communication issues. One person in this connection is very straightforward. If they don't get what they deserve, they will cut them off. They will cut the other person. And communications, definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. I think your person is juggling things between you and your person, between you and their career, between two persons, whatever. Some tower moment. After the tower moment, definitely they realize you both and they want to communicate you and they want a brand new beginning with you. So it's up to you, Aquarius, to give another offer to your person. So this is the reading for you, Aquarius. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.